Hi everyone. So I just spotted this beautiful purple sunbird, and it's such a tiny bird with shining feathers that catches the sunlight perfectly. And watching it hop from flower to flower is like witnessing a little piece of nature's art in motion. I really feel that moments like this remind us why it's so important to appreciate and protect these little wonders, and don't think so that their colors and songs should stay with us forever. Let me show you the footage. I hope you enjoyed as much as I did.
Thank you.